Goldman does take ICE to conviction buy today.
Isn't that interesting?
Target
big
141
note.
would be 24% upside. They say one of the biggest laggards in our coverage.
And yet, I think it's a great buy. I completely agree with that. I saw that as conviction buy. It's time. That is one that should not fall behind. They're very good, and they're very good expense control. I thought they made a lot of sense. There were a lot of good notes today. FedEx, Barclays raised numbers on the eve of their reporting, which does matter tremendously. United Rentals, David, very solid note by Citi, hold to buy. That was supposed to be an infrastructure play.
Right.
But the one that went the opposite way was Plug Power. A lot of youth own Plug Power because it's hydrogen. Canaccord, curiously, revenues in line, losses wider. Price target goes from 69 to 31. Obviously, they believed too great, right? And when I say that stuff and I get that kind of reaction, I know that I'm a crowd favorite.
You often are, Jim. You often are.
Speaking of calls, Jim, MCD, Wells goes to 268. I know the loyalty program news yesterday. You've been calling for that for years.
Yes. And look, you had Kim Penske. I continue to believe he's a tough customer. He's going to get it done. That note with Wells is about the rapid reopening story, and the customers are responding to the rapid reopening loyalty. I think that stock is way too cheap. Now, they went from 262 to 268 Wells. That's just kind of a line in the sand. But this stock has not done enough versus how great this Kim Penske is. I think he has support of the franchisees.
That's been a key challenge for the many CEOs we've covered over the years, is getting that sort of wily group to agree with.
That wily group is right.
Yes.
I mean, I'm friends with someone who has 18 of them, and apparently, look, if they don't like them, they tell you, and if they like them, they love them.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.